Mode settings. You may ask your students to go to Mode. For example, you may want to have them change the settings so that it displays with one decimal place. Hit Enter. Students will also often find this a great place to experiment. For example, trying out parametric equations or polar equations. They may like to experiment with connected or their functions with dot. And one of the more interesting features is the display of the graph. I'm going to choose graph to table. Hit Enter. You can see what that does. Half of your screen is the graph, the other half is the table. They may also go to second format. Students inadvertently will turn the grid on. Hit Enter. Or they may turn their axes off. And students will often go to second stat plot and turn their plots on, or they had been using their stat plots and they left it on. So now when they're supposed to go to y equals, they can't even find a y equals, and their graph does not look appropriate. Their statistics are showing from their lists, and they're pretty unhappy. The easiest way to fix this is go to Second Memory, go to 7, then carefully choose 2. If you accidentally choose 1, you could reset all of your RAM. Then 2 again, and now check. Go to second stat plot. All your plots are off. Second format, all the defaults. Mode, all of the defaults are showing. You go to graph, the grid, the axes are appropriate. Now when you go to y equals, your y functions are showing.